Hey, it's Rob. Welcome to Axel's Garage. You remember Ginger, right? Ginger is our 03 Suburban. She's a beauty, oldie but a goodie. But we've had lots of transmission issues, and she's been in transmission hell for the better part of a year. Well, we finally found a real good tranny shop here on Long Island, sent it over to them. They fixed her up good, and she's back. But we also had a gift. So Amanda and Mark bought the baby mama a new stereo for Ginger, and it's about a year and 3 months ago. It was Christmas last year that they bought it for her, and we never installed it because we've been in transmission hell ever since. So we finally had a chance to get the stereo installed. It's a nice Kenwood Apple CarPlay unit. The problem is the time, and a lot of you know what I'm talking about. The Kenwood time. We have a couple of Kenwood radios, and we've had this problem in several of them. It just arbitrarily goes back to its own time, and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. So here's our Kenwood radio, stereo. I don't know, what do you call them nowadays? We used to call them a stereo. Head unit, I don't know. Anyway, you can see it says Saturday, March 9th, 2024 at 5:21 a.m. I've reset this multiple times. It is actually Friday, March 8th, 2024, and it's 4:25 p.m. So I'll show you what you got to do here. We'll go to the thing, we'll go to the thing settings, right? And I believe it's user interface, clock adjust. So we turn around 3, we got to make it 8, and we're going to go to 4 p.m. 4, and what's our time now? 4:25. Okay, year is 2024, month is 3, 8, 4 p.m., 25 minutes, set. All right, and now we just got to back out. All right, 4:25. Oh, look, 5:22 again tomorrow. And just wait, we got daylight savings time coming up. So this is a problem. So I went on a couple of YouTube videos, and they said, well, you have to go to, I think it's special. Special? No, it's not special. Hang on, it's somewhere. Display. OSD clock. Turn that off. It's usually on. Oh, I hit the wrong thing. It's defaulted on OSD clock, and they claim that's like the clock, to get the clock from the satellites and it adjusts the clock, and that's messed up. So if you turn that off, it'll do it. So you turn that off, and you go in there, and then you go back to user interface, and you go to clock adjust, and we're going to go back to the 8, we're going to go back to 4, and then we're going to go here to, now we're at 26. Set, boom, 5:23. You sure I did it? Okay. So now, the fix, the real fix. Today's video is sponsored by 4Q Coffee. 4Q is real, local New York coffee, and it's New York coffee with attitude. They have great blends of coffee in both K-Cups and ground. We here especially like their regular blend, which is marketed as an all-day bold coffee. It's not like other bold coffees that often taste bitter and burnt. Do you ever drink a strong, bold coffee, and by the second cup, it's starting to churn up your gut, and you're looking for the nearest bathroom in a sweaty fury? Not with 4Q. Their regular blend coffee is bold, and you can enjoy it all day long. The best part is they are a first responder supporter, and they have some outrageous swag on their website. Check out 4Q Coffee in the link below, and use code AXELS at checkout for a 10% discount. Support those who support us. Now back to the video. Forget about that OSD clock shit. Go to radio, right? And then hit this little arrow. There's the radio. Okay, so let's turn that volume down. All right, you see this little arrow here next to the radio? You hit that. Come on. There we go. And it says setup. Hit setup. And it says RDS CT, whatever that means. Turn that off. Off. Okay. And now, back out. Go back to the menu. Go back to the settings. Go back to user interface. Go to clock adjust. And let's change it to 3.8 at 4, and where are we at? 427. So 27 up, it's almost 28. So we're gonna go 428, 7, 8, set, boom, boom, 428, Friday, March 8th, 2024, and it's not gonna change. Problem solved. So if you were as frustrated as I was with these Kenwood radios, stereos, head units, whatever you want to call them, CarPlay units, I don't know. We have 2 of them right now. One in Barry White, one here in Ginger. The one in Barry White, same thing, could never figure it out. Barry White's time has been off for years. We've had Barry White about 2 years. It's been 2 years that its time has been off. Now I can go in Barry White and fix Barry White. Baby Mama's is all fixed up. And that's it today. Let me know in the comments below, have you come across this? Is this the proper fix? Why does the RDS CT thing, what's wrong with the satellites that they can't get it right? You know, it's not 520, what are we, in halfway around the world maybe? I don't know. Let me know. Anyway, thanks for watching.